Hello, it's Time with D. Today I'm just trying some um, goldfish megabytes, and they are cheddar jalapeno. I haven't tried these before, and my husband bought them, so they're goldfish megabytes, cheddar jalapeno. Let's try them. I got some already out, and they're big like this. I don't see the smile, but let's go ahead and try it. Hmm. It's a little bit of burn in the back, but they're good. Goldfish megabytes jalapeno, delicious.